FSD concept students, so on the probability review assignment that I have given you today, on that first set of problems there, we're talking about multiple events. So they are rolling a 6-sided die and then drawing a card from a 52-card deck. Find the probability that they roll a 3 and draw a red card. So we can do a 3 and a red card. Probability of rolling a 3 on a die is 1 out of 6. A red card in a 52-card deck is 26 out of 52, which is a half of them if we reduce that. We're going to multiply them because it's and, so it'll be 1/12. B, they're going to roll an even number and an ace. Even number is 3 out of 6. 3 out of the 6 are even, that reduces to 1/2. In ace, it's 4 out of 52, which reduces to 1 out of 13. Multiplying those together would be 1 out of 26. And then rolling a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 would be a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. That's 4 of them out of 6. And then a heart. Heart, there are 13 hearts, 13 out of 52. If we reduce that, that's 2/3 and 1/4. Multiplied together would be 2/12 or 1/6. And then D, they roll the 5 and then the jack of diamonds. So 5 is 1 out of 6. Jack of diamonds, there's only one jack out of diamonds. So 1 out of 52. I'm going to multiply those. It'd be 1 over 312. Second type of problem, we're dealing with combinations. We're going to draw 52. We're going to draw 4 cards from a deck of 52. So my denominator is going to be combination 52, choose 4. And then I want them all to be hearts. Well, there are 13 hearts in the deck, and I want to choose 4 of those. And so I would use my calculator and just divide those combinations. All face cards. So again, 52, choose 4. There are 12 face cards in the deck, so I'm choosing 4 of those 12 face cards. And C, again, 52, choose 4. I want to get 2 aces. There are 4 aces in the deck. I'm going to choose 2 of those. There are 4 jacks in the deck. I'm going to choose 2 of those. And I'm going to multiply those together because it's and also. So that's an example of using combinations. Last problem is dealing with binomial. This is when you're doing something that has 2 outcomes, in this case, wrong and correct. And you're doing it multiple times. So to get them all wrong, there's a 1 out of 4 chance of getting the question right. And we want to get 0 right. There's 3/4 of a chance of getting the question wrong. And we're going to get all of them wrong. So we're going to get 5 wrong. The combination front would be 5, choose 5. And then you would just enter that in your calculator and you'd have your answer. B, they want to get exactly 2 correct, so again, I'd start with 1/4. Probably of getting a question right, I want to get 2 of them right. 3/4 is the probability of getting a question wrong, I want to get 3 wrong. Then my combination will be either 5, choose, either 2 or 3, it doesn't matter. And then exactly 3 corrects would be 1/4 to the 3rd. 3/4, 3 correct, 2 wrong. And then that would be 5, choose 2 also. All right, so use one of these probabilities now in your game of chance to create that creative game of chance there. And then be prepared to answer some questions like these 3 different types of probability questions tomorrow for your last summit of the year. Should be a great way to raise your semester grade.